Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala ahli wa sahbihi ajma'in ma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Welcome you back to Halal training and coaching program. We ask for Allah to bless our efforts. This is the 7th video in our new series Halal done with you. If you are new to the series or you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel right now and go to the description of this video to watch the past videos. Like, subscribe, comment, and share this video to your loved ones. We are still on code emailing, and today we are going to be setting up the account. So if you want to set up the account, the very first thing you need is to get your list ready. We mentioned that you should go to Apollo, register on Apollo, script the lead. So after scripting the lead on Apollo, you are going to clean it up with promoter kits. So when you clean it up with promoter kit, so you should have a clean list, something like this. List of emails we are going to be sending. So we are still going to tell us the niche and some other things about it. So after having this clean list, then the next thing to set up Chrome profiles, 10 Chrome profiles. What do you mean by this? You come to your Chrome, you click on this particular place, you can see other profiles. So there are a lot of profiles here that I've already created for this particular Chrome. So you can add another one, click on add, click on sign in. So you are going to sign into your Gmail. And which Gmail are you going to be using in this case? So you are going to be using a fresh Gmail account. So you are going to open 10 Gmail accounts. This is not Gmail account to send to script data on Apollo. No. So you need 10 Gmail accounts in order to send emails to your clients, to your prospects. So you should have 10 Gmail accounts, 10 Gmail account created. So you are going to sign in. If you don't have anyone created, you can be creating the Chrome profile and be creating them together. So you can click on create, click on for myself. So you enter all these details and you create your Gmail. Immediately the Gmail you create is going to be added to this particular profile. So when you click here again, you can click on add, sign in. If you have already created the Gmail, you can just sign in. If you haven't created it before, just click on create. For myself, enter your details. So you are going to be creating the Gmail and be adding them to different profiles. So you should have 10 like that, 10 different profiles together with the Gmail created. So that's the next thing you should have. After that, you should set up your Google Sheet and YAM. What do we mean by this? Just go to Google, for example. You are going to sheet.google.doc. So click on this one, Google Sheet sign in. Click on it. Then you're going to have a fresh Google Sheet account like this. So you can name it with what you like. So after naming it with what you like, then you're going to copy your list that you have already generated from Apollo. You're cleaning it up with promoter kits. So you are going to copy the list. Can be up to 100, 200 or something. Copy everything. So copy it. So even if it is up to 1,000 or something, but you should be copying them. You should start with 5. You are going to be sending 5 emails. You are going to be sending 5 emails per day as a start. Later you increase it to 10, later 15, 20. The maximum is 50 per day, but you should only do even 20 per day. If you are doing 20 per day, 20 times 10, that's 200. That's just enough. So even if you are starting with just 5 per day, 5 times 10 is 50. In your group, you are 10 members. So you're going to be 50 times 10. That's 500 per day. This is very okay. So only copy 5 to this particular place. Here now, I have 4. Because the first one is the title, the name, email, company name, company or something like that. So now, I have the Google Sheet together with, and I have my data here. So the next is to set up the YAM. So how do you set up the YAM? Go to extensions, click on add-ons, and click on get add-ons. So when you come here, type YAM, Y-A-M. So this is it here. I've already installed it. That's why it's showing uninstalled, because it's already installed on my computer. So now, on this Chrome profile, so when you click on extension, you can see the YAM here. The meaning of YAM means yet another mail match. That's enough. The next thing to set up the templates and drafts. That is the draft. What do we mean? You go to your Chrome like this. So you come to your Gmail you click on compose. So this how to compose a Gmail message. So you leave this to blank. As for this subject, you are going to write the subject of your email there. We are still going to teach you how to do that, how to write the script, the framework you are going to be using in messaging people. So the subject is actually going to be here. So for this particular tutorial, I'm going to write testing or trial. So after the trial, so my email is going to be here. But look at it. We are still going to teach you how to write this script, the framework. But for testing, I'll just write I. When I write I now, I will call the person's name. I will write open to curly bracket. I will close it. Inside of the curly bracket now, I will make sure I write this that I have on my list, the title, copy, then I will paste it here, Control V. You can see the idea. The idea is that when I say I, it's going to bring the person's name and put it here. So I really like your website. I really like your website. I will come to this place. I will come to this place, copy company website. I will copy it. I will close it. So I really like your website. So the company website is going to be there. So the idea is that this particular software is going to go to this sheet and copy the person's company website. Do you understand? Then the company name can say Russell and company. So I can say, I really like your website and I have a few recommendation to your business at, I will not do like this. I will come here. I think I will copy the person's company name. Copy. Where is it? So I will paste it. Is this something you are interested in? I really like your website. Is this something you are interested in? So when you write your script now, based on this, just close it. You close it. When you close it, Gmail is going to save it in the draft. You can see a trial. I really like your website, something. It's already in the draft. So this how to write templates. That's why we say set up templates as in the draft. So the next thing to send test. So you go back to your sheet. Then you come to this extension because you have installed yet another mail merge. So you are going to see it in merge, start mail merge. You can see my name, Sender Yusuf. The email template, you need to load everything I have in my drafts. So this it's here, the one I wrote just now, trial. So I'll just click on send test. I want to send test email to myself before I send it to those people. So let me check my inbox. You can see trial. This is going to show. I Richard Russell. You can see it has actually called the person's name. Richard Russell. So what is the next thing there? I really like your website. And if you go to this page, you can see the person's website. It has called it. So I made a mistake. There should be space there. I have a few recommendations to improve your business at person's company. If this is something you're interested in, you can see. So this is how it's going to look for all of them. So now, after sending a test, I will now go back, start mail merge. So instead of sending test now, I will now send 4. I will click on this and I'm going to send it to all of them. and you'll be able to track, okay, there's something I should show you there. So you can keep these tracks. You keep it there. It's going to track if the person has actually opened the email, or the person click on it, or the email didn't even go at all. So this, you can uncheck it, but keep it checked. They're going to send it. I don't want to send it because these are real people. I don't want to disturb them with email they are not expecting, or something that is not even making sense. I just want to try it. The email is not well written. So I'm just showing you how to do it. If I click this now, it's going to send it. So now, you know how to do everything now. That's how to set up the system. If you have your phone, how do you do it? So you have to do it one by one. You have to write you write the name, you write everything. So you write everything one by one. You send 5 with a particular Gmail. You send 5 with another Gmail. That's how you're going to, even when it increases to 10, that's how you're going to be doing it if you are using your phone. Do you understand? But if you are using laptop, there's a better way, simpler way to do it. So you that you are using your phone, just manage. After making money, you're still going to buy your own laptop, and may Allah make it easy for us. So, and if you can get access to someone's laptop, you can just borrow it 15 minutes, 20 minutes, we are done. May Allah make it easy for us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this particular video. So the next video drops very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.